You're watching How Leap. Let's turn off HDR videos on your iPhone. HDR or high dynamic range is automatically used for recording. You cannot disable it during recording in the default camera app. However, you can convert HDR videos to standard dynamic range after recording to make them easier to share. Go to Settings, then Camera. Tap Record Video at the bottom. Enable the option HDR video. Wait, to turn it off, you actually tap the toggle to make it white. This will stop recording new videos in HDR. For videos already recorded in HDR, go to Settings, Photos, scroll down and turn on Auto HDR or ensure View Full HDR is off to make them play in SDR on your device. To share an HDR video without HDR, you may need to edit it in an app like iMovie and export it without HDR data. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.